Here's my finished map using maps for the 15-minute journal challenge from JoHanna Clough. And so I did those and this and this, and you can check out the description below for how I did these yesterday before the challenge came out. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with the 15-minute journal challenge that's been put out there by JoHanna Clough. And today is using maps in your journal. Well, wouldn't you know it, yesterday I did these using maps in my journal, and so those videos will go up in the morning, and and I will link them, also link them down below. And so we are going to go ahead and do the 15-minute challenge, and I'm going to make another let's see, we'll use another map, and we'll use it in the day at the beach. Okay, so we'll come back here to the day at the beach, and so here we go. We're going to start 15. Okay, I was thinking I would go ahead and make an envelope, and so let's see how big our paper is. Okay, our paper is basically 8.5. So if we come down here and cut it at 8.5, I don't want to lose the ocean, you guys. We were in Ventura County when we went to the beach. This is not the beach we were at. I think I've confiscated that part of the Thomas Guide already and have it somewhere. So closest one was this one here. So we're going to go 8.5 by 8.5. We'll save this. I'll use it for something else probably. And so now I will need my envelope punch board. So it was to use any type of map for anything in your journal, and you'll see other ways that I used it. So I'm doing this backwards. I'm going to see if I can find an 8.5 by 8.5. Here we go. 8.5 by 8.5 will give me a 4.5 by 6, or a 5 by 5.5. 5 by 5.5. I think we'll do it the 5 by 5.5. Okay, so we need to start at 4 1/8. 4 1/8. Go ahead and punch. And score. Line up our mark, punch, and score. Line up our mark, punch, and score. Line up our mark. You go ahead. Okay, so there is our envelope, and let's see, we've got ocean purple here. Look at there, Pacific Ocean. Oh, I love that. Okay, so that's what we're going to go with. We're going to wish that we had scored a little harder, but this paper's a little bit thin. Okay, so make sure that we've got, that we're on the score. This is a 2008 Rand McNally Thomas Guide thing. There we go. And you can decide if you want to go that way or that way. We're going to go that way. And so with an envelope, you can do a couple of things. You can leave it so that you can journal in it. I actually am going to make this be a page, and look, I think that this is going to be awesome covering up this. Okay, but I want it to go this way, and I'm gonna Okay, so if we close it, what have we got here? We have our earthquake page. And we could go ahead. I mean, there are a lot of pictures from the beach day. So we could do that or that. I really actually just like that. And so I am thinking that I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to glue down my flap on the inside. Make sure that we're close to the edge. So I'm going to glue down my flap on the inside. About 10 minutes. Let's make sure this knows that it needs to stay awake because we've had it fall asleep a couple times. Okay, now we're going to go here and we can just go ahead and put our glue on our two edges. Right up on our edges. There's that. Okay, so now we have this is what we're putting down. Okay, and it is a pocket. And I want to make sure that there is glue on that. And all along there. And all along there. Because I don't want things to get caught up on it. Okay. I will close this. I am using fabric tack because it dries fast. Okay, I'm going to come close to this edge over here because I've just been waiting to see what I was going to do with this page before I trimmed it down. Because I think it's going to need to be trimmed. Okay. Okay. Using my fingernail fancy bone folder. Okay, so we have Pacific Ocean here, and then I have these. I made these in a video a while back. I will find them and put the link down below. So we have Discover. And looks like we need a little help there. Okay, I'm thinking just so that we know this is a pocket, one of the other things that I like to do is go ahead and do that. Okay, so this was a different way of doing a pocket. Now I do have this picture of the kids, and I'm thinking I might be able to, I'm going to try. So this journal that I'm working in is my my grandchildren are here visiting, and I made my July journal from a simple kit for the July journal from a simple kit challenge that is from Dear Julie, and Tom's foot is over there. Didn't notice that before. Have to cut. Sorry, Tom, we're cutting you out of the picture. So this was the only picture that came out that all three of them are in the water. So we can go ahead and just put this on here and glue around the edge. Okay, now for this, for these challenges, I have not been actually doing my journaling because I like to think about what I'm going to write. And so the other thing I had was I had this washi tape that I thought I could use up here. I mean, I just now thought of that because it's sitting here. And I knew I wanted to use it. Oh, gosh. I'm struggling. Okay. So we have Seize the Day, Tropic Like It's Hot, Tropical Paradise, Surf and Sand. Okay. There we go. So I'm excited because this this particular map documents that they were on the Pacific Ocean when we did this. I mean, of course, we know that, but really? That was not fair. Make sure it's down. So then we have a pocket here that I can, I will be able to journal in. And I'm going to go ahead and I think for that pocket, I'm going to find something that is in the, oh, I love it. You guys, I'm loving this. And this would have never happened if it was not for her challenge. This is not what I would be doing. So I'm very, 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 very loving these challenges. So possibly what I might do, I have I will find something that will go and fit in here. This. Okay. This one. We'll get it ready. And then I don't know if you've seen, but or you noticed, but I did make a pocket also out of the kids' picture. So I have a small pocket there as well. I do that usually just because I constantly add pockets. I constantly add pockets. Okay, so here we go. That can fit in there. And yet you can still read those. And if I end up with extra pictures, they could also possibly go in there. I have this piece. I don't know. It might go over there. We'll see. We have adventure. Would that fit on there? We still have 2 minutes. So I'm going to put this. This could end up being a background. It could end up being a pocket. I don't know. But I'm going to put this here. It matches. I like it. And so the other thing is we do have, we have this strip from the other map. I'm going to put that on the edge, you guys. So this is me continuing to use, my mode of operation is to use everything. I try not to throw stuff away, and until the very end. So there's that, and we'll cut it after it dries. And then this right here could very easily become, okay, gotta hurry. Right here, we go in here and here and around, and this can either become a border or it's going to be a border tuck. We're going to set it up as a border tuck at this time. So there, we've used all the pieces. Good, it's right side up. I was like, oh no, did I put it upside down? Right side up. Okay, there we go. With 14 seconds left, we have a side border tuck. We have this edge here that we're going to go ahead and cut off. And we have our envelope page. And I got that picture that I had, it's the only one from this that I had printed so far. Let's turn this on. Done. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed that. There we go. Thank you, JoHanna. I am loving this, and I am getting lots done. And like I said, if you want to see how I used it here, showing the route and where we went, I actually used map from our area. These were made yesterday. So before she put the challenge up, I had already done some using map in my journal. So today we made the envelope with the pocket. So what do you think? What's your favorite? I love the pocket, and I think you're gonna really like what we did on the one on the other side. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thank you again, JoHanna. And her information is also down below. Have a great day. Bye.